$2 million in just 8 months trading NASDAQ, guys. You hit the setup in here, boom, 50% close, risk off the table, winner, boom, winner, boom, winner, boom, winner.
I've had some wonderful results. A couple weeks ago, I threw in $50. That first week, I think it was about 4 or 5 days, I turned it into almost $6,000.
I've shared each of those trades openly and freely on my YouTube and Telegram channels.
I mean, how would your life change with $30,000 more per month? Making 5 figures with like 1 or 2 hours per day, man, trading is the only business where these kind of numbers are possible.
Boom, winner, boom, winner. Another one, boom, winner. Boom.
My results. So I started with 3,000 and over in just under a week. Just over a week, sorry. I got to about 68,000. Mental. Crazy.
I just got myself a Lamborghini, man! And this thing is fucking quick!
And no one wants you to succeed more than Raphael.
Raphael's a good trader, man. He's a humble dude. He's a good trader. He's pretty modest about his trading, but you know, let's be real. He makes some. He fucking stacks up some pretty serious coin. So, you know, it's no joke. He's a good trader. I want to be just like him.
For the first time, I've achieved some really consistent, fantastic results.
Boom, winner. Then here, boom, winner, 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 winner.
Oh man, it's crazy. Look at this. I'm withdrawing 50,000 euros from my own bank account. Oh, Raphael, you're crazy, man.
I'm telling you, trading is the best job in the world. It is the best job in the world. Boom, winner. And another one, boom, winner. And now, let's see if this one's a winner as well.
With 20% profit a month, you can print a lot of money.
I started with $530. I started on a Wednesday, and I flipped that bitch to $4,000 by Friday.
This trade took me 10 minutes. I made 40,000, guys. What kind of job in the world can give you 40 grand in 10 minutes, man?
Made $11,500 this week. It was very good week, very good trades. So,
guys, this is crazy. Not a single loss, just winning trades today. I'm not cherry picking at all, guys. I'm just showing you today's trading.
Raphael, really thank you for everything, man. It's unbelievable how you helped me. Look at this. I have 100,000 euro on my bank account. I could cry.
How I was able to make 3.5% profit today. I've shared this trade with the inner circle of our team.
I started with an account of 3,000 and doubled it in 4 weeks to 87.
Guys, let me tell you something. If you are able to make 20% per month, and I can show you how to do it, man, you can make so much money, guys, you cannot believe. Like, this is ridiculously crazy. 20% is so good.
I deposit about $500 and I make profit about over $500.
We had a lovely buy position on NASDAQ. I was able to bank 3.6% on that one.
To me, what was crazy, buddy, I'd make in a day, what I'd make in a month when I was cleaning. It's madness.
73% within 3 months and 5 days.
He's just out there helping us. He's sharing his life with us, and it's very inspirational.
Told you this week gonna be legendary, but it could have been much more legendary. Let me tell you that. I mean, I missed out on 2 pretty big moves, guys.
Making 1 million in 5 years is very probable mathematically, so it blew my mind up. It's amazing.
As you can see, my account balance is at 1.2 million at the moment. Today, I was able to bank around 3% profit.
Raphael is the real deal. He knows the subject inside out, and he's able to, answer any questions you've got on a sort of day-to-day basis.
This year so far, I made around 41%, guys. 6 weeks, 41%, that's more than 20% average per month.
At the end of the day, anybody can do this. Anybody can. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can.
Trading is like art. It takes a lot of creativity, a lot of focus, a lot of discipline. And yeah, but it's the best paying job in the world, let me tell you that.
So money management was key. So your money's definitely safe if you follow the rules, follow the game plan.
I made 846,000 already, which is nearly 85%. in 3 months and 13 days.
I want to make more than $1 million after tax in 3 years. And Raphael helped me work out, through compound interest, just how it can be done.
You know, he's got a lot of traders in the group, but he always still tries to help out and answer questions. He's always giving money away. He's just overall, he's a really good dude, man. He's a really generous guy. And
when I'm on the right trade, I really can feel that I'm on the right trade, and then it's time for me to load it up, bigger my position size, and make a big move, Yeah, that's what we do.
Thank you so much. You have changed my life in terms of finance.
I know it's not all about money, but for me, it's about financial security.
I just want to say thank you, Raphael, for helping us, for keeping us educated on the market street.
In 5 months, we are up more than 134%. This is more than 25% a month, which is really, really good.
Genius trader making money in the extreme zones. Well, it's a whole new approach to trading. And the impact for me was absolutely mind-blowing. My trading's really taken off. I've actually seen some real tangible profits.
I'm able to have a bit more freedom during this crisis time because I've been part of the course for almost 7 months now. So I was already prepared for this crisis, and it's being very profitable for me.
Overall, for the week, we up 18%. Man, amazing.
I can cover my losses with my wins easily. And at the end of the day, I have a big plus on the account. And that's good.
Raphael has it in his bio. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. And when that money starts flowing and you start getting it, this is something that you can use for the rest of your life.
Yeah, we made a lot of money. We made a lot of damage this year. I'm telling you, we squeezed the markets pretty hard.
Raphael, thank you. Thank you so much. You are just changing my life at an age, I keep saying it, but an age I never thought it was possible. I never thought it was possible. And you motivate, you help, you want everyone to succeed. And, you're just the biz, mate. You're just the biz, and I can't say any more than that.
I started this account in January this year, and so far we made 171% profit, guys.
It's definitely given me the tools to succeed and to be a professional trader. And yeah, he's an awesome mentor if you guys are looking for a mentor to build a strong foundation in this industry, which is very important.
We are up 186% so far. Wow.
Thank you so much. You have done a phenomenal job, and I am so happy to be a part of the program.
We made 12.8% in 1 week.
When you're getting a setup, he's telling you exactly what he's looking for as it's happening in real time.
I nearly hit my target on Monday, guys. It's just 1% left, 1.1% left. Until I made like a 200% gain this year already. We have mid-August, 23rd of August now, and I made around 200%, guys.
I just want to thank Raphael, man. Having a mentor that is really going to help you, that's really going to take time and read your questions and respond to you and help you out. If you're struggling with something and you're just not getting it, he's there for you.
You also benefit from being part of an amazing group of people.
My name is Raphael. I am a trader for over 12 years now, and I've turned my passion for trading into a multi-million-dollar journey. I'm going to teach my successful trading strategy to 1,000 people for free, because trading has changed my life. From an average income as a nurse assistant, I've managed to make millions in profits over the last few years. I've invested a lot of money in real estate, and I bought a few classic cars, and my life is comfortable. I will show you that you don't have to be a millionaire to make a living from trading. Even as a normal employee with a regular 9-to-5 life and a usual salary, I've managed to become an independent trader. And yeah, I've walked this path. I'm ready to show you how it's done. So if you are ready to learn the high-paying skill set of a trader, click on the link down below. Feel free to contact me. And yeah, then I can show you step by step what you need to do to become a top trader. And it doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or if you have some experience. All you need is a phone or a laptop. And that's it. I'm excited to get to know you, and I'm looking forward to get you on top. Okay? Thank you for your time. I'll see you inside the chat, buddy. Peace.
Every time I why your body in